guys, welcome back to Zik the Programming Guide channel. My name is Beatrice, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to add stickers on TikTok comments. So the first step we're going to take is go to your Play Store and you search for Sticky File Store. Yeah, so you just need to install and you open up the app. Then you go to your home page. Like this, I'm going to see a lot of stickers, so you just have to pick the one you want to use, click on it, and next thing you're going to do is screenshot. Yes, then you head onto your gallery to crop up the sticker you just screenshotted, just like this. Crop it up and then you save it. So now the next step is to go to your TikTok app. Yeah, you go to your TikTok app, to the comments you want to send the sticker out to. So you just click on the comment section. Yes, then you are going to check. If you check on your TikTok, you see you cannot send sticker using your TikTok app. All you just have here is your emojis. So what you're going to do next is just click on your image, this image icon on the left hand side. Just click on it, and all this, the sticker you just screenshot is going to appear there. So you just click on it and you send it. As you can see, I just sent a sticker on a TikTok comment section. So this is just how to do it. If this guide was helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.